Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how we can remove a new event from Activity tab in Salesforce. So, in this whole video tutorial, we will discuss the steps that we can follow to remove the new element from the Activity tab in Salesforce Lightning. Now, before we jump to the topic, I would like to tell you that we have created this channel specifically for the Salesforce tutorials. So, if you want to become a Salesforce expert, you can subscribe to this channel and you can also press the bell icon to get the regular updates from it. Now, let's understand how we can remove the new element from the Activity tab in Salesforce. The Activity tab in Salesforce Lightning is also known as the Activity Timeline, and the role of this tab is to show activities related to the various objects. Now, these objects include accounts, contacts, case, policy, insurance, etc. Let me show you. So firstly, move to our Salesforce org. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning one, then switch to the Lightning first, then move ahead. And here I click on the gear icon and click on the setup option, and it will redirect us to the setup home page, and then click on the app launcher, and here you can see there is a view all option present. Click on this view all option and then scroll down. Here you can see lots of items are present. Here I click on the accounts item and we jump to the account recently viewed page, and here you can see two records are present. You can view any of the record, and here I want to view this record, so I click on this, and you can see under the activity tab three options are present. First one is new task, second one is new event, and the third one is logger code. Now based upon the object that we are using, we might need some customization in this activity tab. So for example, I do not want this event tab button under this activity section. So I want to remove this. So in this video, we will understand the step that we can follow to remove this event button. So for this, we again click on the gear icon and click on the setup option, and we launch to our setup home page. From here, I click on the object manager tab and then click on the accounts object, and our detail page is open, and under this detail page a page layout is present. Click on this page layout. Our page layout page is open, and under this lots of page layout name is present, but I want to click this account layout because I change the account layout. So I click on this, and from here account layout page I click on the mobile and lightning action and then scroll down. Under this Salesforce mobile and lightning experience action, you can see the new event button is present in this section, and I want to remove this new event button, so I drag this and drop it here, and after this I click on the save button and it will move back to the page layouts. And now I want to see our new event button is removed from under the activity tab or not. So for this I click on the app launcher and then again click on the view all and then scroll down and select the accounts item, and then again select any of the record you want, and here I again select this Burlington Textile Corporation of Australia, and here you can see under the activity tab our new event button is removed. Only two buttons are present, new task and logo code. So with this we have learned how to remove the new event button from account object under the activity tab in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.